ka dyan, Eva. Kasi on the bloody red carpet, we have Francine Diaz.
Mga fans ninyo na nandito ngayon, Princess!
Saya pala nandito kami ulit ng daming familiar faces mula sa ating press family at sa lahat. Thank you for being here, everyone.
Correct. And of course, ano masasabi mo yung mga fans ninyo? 5 a.m. pa lang nandito na.
Enjoy natin itong gabi ito. And of course, proto sa lahat ng taas, Tropical Entertainment, thank you so much sa gawa natin.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, Francine and Seth. Fran, Seth, congratulations once again.
Ang lami!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
So proud! Goddess!
And Ivana, we saw on social media you're not really feeling well, but you really gave it your best effort to be here. Thank you so much. Anong masasabi mo sa mga Pilipino na manunood ng Shea Rattle ngayong December 25?
Ayan, manood po tayo ng Shake, Rattle, and Roll, Evil Origins. This December 25, alam niyo na, birthday ko ito, kaya pa-birthday niyo na rin sa akin.
Wow!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Ivana!
Yes, at sigurado ako mag-i-enjoy talaga kayo kasi all of the cast, the production, they put in so much effort. So napakaganda na